So what research is on the horizon for Intermountain Precision Genomics?
Yeah, that's a great question. So, the first thing I can think of is we really want to utilize this idea of using whole genome sequencing on our patient specimens. Right now, we're really focused on doing whole exon sequencing, and that gives us a very small portion of the genetic code, and we can definitely find out a lot of information from that particular sequence. But we really feel like it's important to understand the entire genetic code, and that's why we can utilize whole genome sequencing. And so in order to do that, we need to have the right kind of equipment, the right expertise. But once we have that in place, we're able to really answer some pretty important questions. We can identify why some patients recur and why some patients don't. We can identify why some patients respond better to treatment as opposed to others, why some don't. And so these are really important questions that I feel like lie within our genomic profile,
Right.
and really having a complete picture of that allows us to do that. So this is a really important thing that we have developing right now. The other project that we're working on of many is being able to utilize liquid biopsy technology. So liquid biopsy is the ability to take a biopsy and using a blood sample as opposed from a tissue sample, for example. This is a much less invasive procedure. It's a lot easier on our participants. It's very much cost effective, and we're able to utilize and glean a lot of the same information than we can from a regular tissue biopsy. By doing this, we can set up a much more frequent way in which physicians and oncologists can monitor cancer progression in their patients and ultimately improve the way we treat cancer overall.
Great. Can you give me an example of what type of patient you would utilize a liquid biopsy for?
Yeah, so these are going to be patients that have your hematological malignancies, so your leukemia and other types of blood cancers which we see.
Great.
Great.